In today's video, I will show you how to add a preferred language on Tinder for Android. Tinder is available in over 190 countries, making language settings a huge deal for anyone looking to connect globally or practice a new tongue while swiping. If you are exploring beyond your local border, picking your top languages helps the algorithm find the absolute best communication matches for you. To customize this, first open your Tinder app on your device. Then, once you're on the home page, click on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, click on the gear icon at the top right to open up your account settings. From here, scroll down through your preferences until you see the section labeled Global, which can be found under the Discovery settings right underneath your location. Go ahead and simply toggle it on. Once it is on, you will instantly see a brand new settings section appear right below it, which is the preferred language section. Click on Add Language, then select your favorite choice from the language options you will see pop up and click it to lock it in. And that's it. That's how to add a preferred language on Tinder for Android.